Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss about an easy way to remotely connect it with another PC. So for example, if you want to solve a problem in your remote PC, then how you can do that? Just you can type here AnyDesk, and now you need to download this software, and here you can see download button. So you can also upgrade this software if you want to use for commercial purpose. Just you can download it free of cost, and here you can see software is available for Windows, Mac, Android, Apple devices and Linux. So I want to download on Windows operating system. After that, go here, then click on download unverified file. So now let me go in folders and right click, then open it and click on the button run. So guys, here you can see I recently connected with these remote PCs, and now this device is enabled to connect. But if I want to connect with a new device, then I need to get this ID. So here I need to add ID number, and after that I need to click on the button connect. After that my PC will be remotely connected to the another PC, and I can operate that PC from here and solve any type of issues in that PC. So this is the easiest way to solve your problems in your remote PC. Thank you for watching video.